Hello, everyone. This is Qing. So, I'm new here, so I wanted to share you guys some information in here. So this is package I get it from Havana Cigar Festival like last week. So I just came back from Cuba. So you will see, this is gift. So when we go to visit a factory. After a factory, so we'll go to have a lunch. So and then at lunchtime they give us a gift. So you will see it's very beautiful package. So we say it's a Habros company and its name in there. And let's see what is inside. Okay. So first we get a lighters. So it's have a logo with the Habros company. So this is lighters should be working. Yeah, it's working. And then second, let me say what I get. Something else we get. So we did get cutters. So it's cutters also with a Habros name. So it's just no more cutters. It's just for smoking use. And then we get cigars. Okay, original Cuban cigars. So you will say this is Upland Margnan 46. So we say it's very beautiful. Everybody can see it. So you will see the name and smell. Oh, smell is very good. I love it. That's very wonderful. So this is the thing. So we get it. So we get one cigar. Actually, we get two cigars, but another one I just give to my friend, and probably maybe she smokes. She already smoked it, so I don't know it. So we get two cigars. So this is one, and another one I give to my friend. Then I get one lighters and one cutters. So we get three stuff, kind of thing that. So here are things I just to show you what I get. Okay, thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye.